Hi, I'm Al.
And I'm Val. And we're
we are
with Wade and Lorraine on the off-ramp.
So in this week's video, we are exploring John Prince Campground. It's in Lake Worth, Florida area, very close to West Palm Beach. And we'll be exploring some of the things around the area.
One of the things that we love to check out are the beaches, so we're doing that. And what else do we check out?
And then there's a wildlife preserve we're going to go to as well too. So we will report back to you on the different types of animals that we're seeing.
Well, and the other piece of our journey in this segment has to do with some nuisances that we've had to take care of. There's two particular things that we didn't anticipate that we would have to take care of as a result of traveling. So stick with us to see what happened and how we handled those challenges.
Okay, and now back to our iguana show. One's a little one. Oh, there's three. Four. There's four. I see that. And the big mama's over there. We are camping at John Prince Campground near Fort Lauderdale and Palm Beach area, and it has been just a wonderful stay. So we have this campsite here, and Alvin and Val are parked beside us in this campsite here. It's a beautiful view of the lake, and this is our campground.
This van keeps tailgating us wherever we go. Can't figure it out. It's always following us. Actually, that's the Ginter's rental. Every 3 days we stop, move to the next location, plan meals for 3 days, pick up groceries, and here comes the people that are following us. Her grocery cart is full, we planned our meals, and it just so happens to be her birthday today. So this morning Wade wanted to go out for a bike ride to just go get a look around the campground, and as he gets on his bike, he sees his chain is completely rusted. We have never seen this before, but we're assuming it's the seawater that does it, or the sea air. I mean, look at that. That thing looks like it's been sitting around for 100 years. It's so rusty. Now, what do you do about that if you live out here and have chains that get exposed to the sea air? Crazy.
So it's the 7th of February, water temperature is 76 degrees, high tide is 11:14, low tide 5:18, and 1 to 3 foot chop. Possible jellyfish, man of war, great. So we had to do some repair work to our van door, and Lorraine has found some videos online that this is very common, but the door would open from the outside but not from the inside.
Yeah.
Which,
Oh man, that was a panic for me, because then if it opened up from the inside, no, outside only, then when I was in the van, I'd have to climb over the passenger seat to get out the van. So that was going to get old really fast.
yeah, within the first hour probably. I heard a noise. What am I hearing?
What?
I heard a noise. What am I hearing?
Okay, help me. Wade, can you come open the door? Open the door, please. I have my hands full. I need to come out. I can't open this.
The door opens from the outside, but there's something wrong with the inside, and we're going to have to take that apart and check it all out.
Well, we lived with that for about 5 or 6 days till Wade and Alvin worked on trying to get that repaired.
Yeah, so it was nice having Alvin there to help me as well. So we took apart the door panels on the inside, and what it is on those vans, because the door is hard to open up, the metal latch on the inside that the handle is attached to actually bends after a while. So being that our van is 14 and 3, 17 years old, it just took a beating after a while. So,
And here's where it's helpful to be a part of a lot of different Facebook
Yes,
groups,
yeah.
because that's where I found a link to the video
that's right. So
for helping us solve that problem.
yeah, and then when we knew what to look for, then we could look for more videos as well too. So yeah, we're part of, oh man, what are some of the groups that we're part of? There's leisure travel vans, vintage.
RV and 50s and over. I think the vintage one is where we saw it, because that's what's happening to this age of van.
And then Sprinter RVs, Sprinter van RVs and things like that. So those Facebook pages definitely would encourage you to become a part of something that is specific to whatever you're camping with.
And you know what? One of the horrible things of this was, as Wade and Alvin were fixing this on the parking lot of, what was it?
It was the Napa Auto Parts.
Oh, so they're in a Napa Auto Parts to try to get the right bolts or something to do the fixing. And a complete stranger came up to them and offered Wade.
He wanted to buy our van.
He just wanted to buy the van. He wanted to buy our van right there, right then, and he wasn't kidding.
So obviously we didn't sell it.
We didn't sell it.
But we
Wade,
did get the van door fixed.
we did get the van door fixed.
And we needed 2 sets of hands. So it was good to have Alvin there and reaching in behind some tiny spots. So it worked out well with the two of us.
And Wade would have been in big trouble if he would have sold the van.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay. Well, we're going gator hunting. Imagine the wind is playing havoc here, but
I got my backpack. I got my weights.
we're at the Arthur R. Marshall Loxahatchee National Wildlife Refuge. And apparently there's a big gator here somewhere.
I was looking pretty lazy.
Well, you know what? It's good to have fun, right?
Yeah, try it, Alvin.
I was trying to get him to move in position for your
There you go.
Yeah.
Come on, you need to pose. You're being so rude.
Alvin, if you come a little further this way, you can see almost the ball's head.
Can't budge him now.
I can see his tail back there.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, more coon. Yeah. River otters and
She's on a gator hunt.
Actually, I'm seeing some really neat white lilies in that side.
big turtle.
Here, because the water.
Oh, here too.
We've been to the west side of Florida. We've been to the east side of Florida. This is an example of hanging out in the Everglades. In our 16 days traveling through Florida with the Ginters, we are making sure we see lots of neat and different sights. Right now, we're hoping to see an alligator in these marsh waters, but we haven't been that lucky yet. At the lookout where some people were fishing, there was an alligator hiding under the bridge, and we could just see its nose. But here we hope to see a big one. Probably not. Lots of neat birds, though.
Well, we met some new friends from Quebec,
Just retired.
and they just so happened to be driving
Almost
leisure travel vans.
3.5 years. I was a tired leaper.
One is the 2005 and the other is the 2006, same as ours.
Okay, no, I understand.
Wow, this is us leaving John Prince Campground. That is it was a gorgeous place to stop. Kind of a city's feel campground, right? There's traffic and noise, but not ridiculous.
I think we'd come back yet.
Oh, I'd come back here.
Like now this week or this month that we're here.
Oh, maybe we could do that, yeah. We're trying to figure out our plan for the rest of Florida. These 14 days were so specifically planned, and now we've probably got another month of kind of hanging around here and going, well, now where should we go? I'm sure we'll figure it out.
If you like the content of this video, please subscribe to the channel.
So far, our trip with the Ginters has gone really well. We have managed to find a lot of spots to stay, and you will be amazed. In our next stop, we are staying at the Keys. Everyone asked, are you going to the Keys? Is it worth it to go to the Keys?
Have you
Yes.
tried finding camping going to the Keys?
Have you tried to find camping good? So as you know, we didn't book that far in advance, and yes, it's a challenge. Find out what we did to be able to stay on the Keys.
So staying on the Keys really did mean hold our plans loosely, because until the very end, we did not have really a great idea of where we would be. So in the end, we needed to hold our plans loosely. Yeah, okay.
I have no idea what I'm saying.
Oh, you're supposed to say, if you like the